Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Business Craft. Today I'm gonna talk about 3-day challenge training. In my last video, I already did describe about affiliate marketing, what are the products to promote, how it works, and where to promote. So today I'm gonna talk about 3-day challenge training that I'm gonna post my link in my bio, so you can click over there and join the link right after this training. So let's go and talk about where to promote the product. So basically, this is the organic traffic you can take from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. As you all know that people are watching TikTok like in millions of the quantity. So you can easily get traffic from there and you can get your commission by selling the product to the people through these free platforms. These are the organic platforms without any paid ads. Further, how to get the training to start affiliate marketing. So, as I told you before, I'm gonna put the link in my bio to start the 3 days training. In this training, there is a person named Jonathan Monetaya. He's gonna describe each and everything to the point and clearly, which helps people to get under better understanding. You just need to invest $7. This is just a one-time payment. You will definitely gonna worth this money in order to investing. So if you invest $7 today, you will learn a lot of things from 3-day challenge. How to make click funnels, how to make get response account, how to connect these both by getting the emails, opt-in page, and everything. Everyone knows that learning is earning. If you learn something, then you can earn money, right? So if you click the link in my bio, you can invest $7 and you can get a training from that person who just quit 9 to 5 job in order to earn passive income by sitting home. So this money is gonna worth it in order to learn affiliate marketing. I'm gonna show you the link. This is the training link for 3-day challenge. And also you can choose a free webinar in order to get a instant example or instant information about what he's gonna explain in his 3-day challenge link, so you can easily get an idea about the affiliate marketing and how it works. Thank you, and I'm gonna post my further videos on YouTube. Please click the link in my bio in order to subscribe, hit like button. Thanks a lot.